Hey folks, how we doing? Well, out for another day. Gonna make some slabs, and so this is the tree we're gonna be working on today. Uh, I don't know, it's an oak. I'm guessing a red oak. Just looks red to me, but who knows? So this came down probably 6 to 8 months ago. The roots rotted out, and it just toppled over. Unfortunately, around this area, we're getting a lot of this, I don't know, dead oaks. A lot of them are just succumbing to disease and bug kill. Others are just falling right out of the ground. So, kind of sucks. But hopefully, we'll be able to make something nice out of it. So we already did some work to it. We took off most of the branches, limbed it up. And somebody else ended up cutting this part right here. Unfortunately, I would have liked to have brought that down a little bit, but oh well, we're working with what we got. So yeah, so let's get started. All right guys, so first order of business is to cut this log a little shorter. Right now it's a little over 20 foot, which is nice and all, but there's no way I could handle that type of material. So I'm probably going to cut it to 10-foot lengths. I'm going to have to clean this cut up, cut the rest of that off, and then I think the 10-foot mark is right about here. So I actually get this nice little crotch in this larger piece. So yeah, all right, well, let's cut it. Got a pretty good clean cut right here. So I'm going to try and move this larger log a little bit. I have a clean path to put the mill on and everything. Yeah, let's see how that goes. Alright guys, I got the log moved out of its original spot to, I don't know, about 10-15 feet away. Got it rolled on the right side, so gonna be planing straight down there. But first, so when I put it on my railing here, I'm getting these are sticking up above the railing, and so since the log overall is bowed like that, I'm gonna keep having to like go further and further. But initially, to start, I'm gonna, without the rails, I'm gonna lop off the tops of these burls, just so I could get a better surface for the mill. So let's see how that goes. There's the bottom end of that burl. Not too bad. It's kind of nice. Make a nice coaster. But now we'll set up the rails. All right, we got our rails set up. So hopefully that's at least pretty straight. And yeah, let's see. That's not too bad. So now time to switch out the bar to the long bar, throw it on the mill, and start milling. All right, guys. Gonna have to change that sprocket. Let's see, that's a 3/8 by 040. Alright, well, let's see how that fires up. How the chain runs. Put these things away. Alright guys, I got my rail, I got my mill, got the chainsaw in it. So yeah, we're all ready to get going and see how it turns out. Alright, thanks guys. Alright folks, so I finished my first pass. So time to remove everything. See how it turned out. Oh, look at that grain. It's beautiful. All the little branches or something. Well, cool. Well, that's the first pass. Took me longer than I wanted to. So now I'm gonna get down to business. All right, guys, have fun.